Last week, my favorite natural gas has achieved 2.8 levels on which I was bullish since last 3 weeks. I have told several times in last 3 weeks, my every video discussed upon this that triple bottom is done till the time net gas respects 2.06 levels. We are going to look at 2.4, 2.6 and 2.8 levels, and now in fact I will be looking forward to $3 levels also. But is it possible in the coming week, or we can see a retracement before the bullishness? Which position you should take in order to profit next week, we will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the levels and strategy to watch out for. Do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. I post my update on natural gas twice a day, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch both. Also, you can get connected by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, on the daily chart, see triple bottom was here. Since then, net gas has seen lower highs, and this was the breakout. See, once it breached past 2.5, this was the breakout in last couple of days when it has marched towards 2.8. Now, certainly this breakout is very important, where it can continue with the upward momentum. See, the base is strong here. The squeeze was done. Now it is seen looking upwards. Now how far it can stretch, I will be looking forward to 3.2. In fact, 3.5 levels cannot be denied, and this can happen in a very quick succession. Now you can see this. The drop here was equally sharp, and nobody questioned here that the indicators are oversold or is it going to happen or not. Right now, the similar phenomena can happen here if it continues to stay above 2.8 levels. Now, look closely on the charts here. See, succession, we have seen a very strong bullish candles here. You can see now the base is created at around 2.2 levels, which should not be breached. This is going to be the support now. And if you look at, higher highs are seen for this channel. Now, this is the bullish channel for which the bottom next week is going to be somewhere here at 2.6 and 2.5 levels. Now, till the time it respects 2.5 level, do not consider this as bearish for next week. It may possibly try to retrace a little before looking forward to another upward move, and hence till 2.5, do not consider net gas as bearish. It can again fly for 3.2, 3.5 levels in the coming few weeks. Now, this is first part to it. At the same time, if it draws below 2.5, that is the point where we can expect it to trade a little bearish, and then you can see it hitting 2.4 and 2.2 levels. Now, this is just on the daily charts. Also remember, this is happening after a good squeeze, after a good bearish move. This is a breakout here. This is happening after a triple bottom support, and this is rising, and hence more bullishness may prevail. Possibly it can try to hit those levels in a quick succession. Now let's have a look at the weekly. Now on the weekly charts, last week we had seen lower highs, higher lows. This week it has given a breakout, and this was a very good breakout. Also, if you see this candle, the previous candle had a very small wick on the upside, which is a very good indication that it is ready for a pullback, and the candle size may increase further. Now see, this is the first breakout candle. In all possibility or probability, it can try to give you second and third bullish candles also. Now, as what you have seen here, increasing bearishness, it can show you increasing bullishness till the time it retraces for 5 levels, possibly in next few weeks. But where it will get the first resistance? Now you can see this here. See, it started rising from here, a slightly higher levels, and then it is seen close to 6 levels, then a retracement to 4, and then this rise. Now it can replicate the same here, dropping till 2, it can rise till 5, and then possibly retracement to 4 or 3.5, and then possibly again a rise. This is also very much possible. Now I will show you on the monthly charts why 5 and 6 levels can be achieved. But if you look at it here, see this twin peaks here. So if you connect these twin peaks here, you will find that in next few weeks this zone is certainly achievable, situated at around 4 to 5 levels, which is a good resistance zone. And beyond that, in fact, there is a good probability that in fact it can fly for $6 levels before retracing achieving this, it can try to retrace. Likewise, achieving this, it can try to retrace. That is one probability here. Right now, it is trying to reverse. Next week again, if you see it trading about 2.8, certainly one can expect it to show more bullish move, taking it till towards 3.2 levels, and then increasing bullishness can be seen there. Now, let's have a look at the monthly chart. Now, on the monthly chart, see four candles almost creating the same bottom, and now this is the second green candle in succession. Increasing body size, flat bottom indicates a very good support existing here, and this is trying to hit. See 2.8, certainly a very good resistance here. You can see this candle getting reversed from the same level. This candle opened at the same level and try to rise and then breach. Now right now again 2.8 levels are very good resistance, staying about 2.8, and here if you see 2.86 and 2.9, if these three levels are taken, you can say net gas is going to fly high further. 3.2 levels directly it is going to achieve, and hence more bullishness may prevail. So this is on the monthly chart. So certainly it is going to remain a greener candle, but only 2.9 $3 levels. Till here we have to be watchful, cautious, observant, and then 3.2 levels should be seen there. Now this is on the monthly charts. Also, if you look at the charts here, see this is the bottom, and from where this rally has started, this was the expanding triangle. Now it has come to the terms with the near bottom levels, and now it is starting to rally. If it does, if it breaks past 6 in the near future, you can say that it is going to give more rise to net gas in the coming few days. Now we have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. If you look at indicators on the monthly charts, you'll find that all the moving average have started to converge. It has got very good resistance from starting from $3 to $5 level. This is going to be a super good resistance zone. Now it has converged this, possibly for next couple of candles also we may see these converging, and from where the divergence can start again. Now see the monthly stochastic was extremely oversold, and this is also calling for a good rise, and this greener candle certainly will pull it out. Possibly next couple of months may also remain bullish, and then it can try to fly high, and or a little retracement cannot be denied. Now look at the MACD. We discussed this in last week's analysis that it has almost achieved the bottom. See the rally here was gradual, and the decline here was very sharp. Also, if you look at the candle size, this is flattened. Now it is starting to converge. Though it has not yet crossed over, it is still bearish, but it is giving a sign that it can try to converge at least a little before looking forward to a crossover. And if it crosses over, certainly that is a point from where the bullishness may result. Now see, these are the levels from where net gas has always reversed. Almost for last couple of years it has seen a gradual rise. Now it has seen a vertical drop. Possibly from here a rise can be expected. RSI almost flat and at bottom. Now look at the weekly chart. Now see on the weekly charts, the moving averages were trading with divergence, extreme divergence, and the price was trading with divergence from the moving average. Now it is certainly it is trading above the 20 period simple average, but exponential average sitting at $3 levels, which it may try to achieve in the month of May itself. And next 8 trading session possibility exists that $3 levels can be seen there. In fact 3.2 cannot be denied. And at the same time look at the Bollinger Bands and see the next target is going to be the 50 period moving average sitting at around 4 to 4.5 levels. So this zone till here is going to be super resistant. Also you can see the crossover here and the divergence here, possibly a little convergence here cannot be denied there, so possibly a little rise can be expected. Stochastic again looking upwards, trying to rise, and see the MACD. Now beautifully it is starting to diverge here, which is indicative of increasing bullishness. It has dropped sharply, it has come to extremely lower levels, which net gas has never seen in history. If you see the history for last 10 to 15 years, this is the bottom for net gas. You can see the high was also at plus 1000, the bottom is here at minus 1000. Now what it can do, it can try to rise for a little, then retrace. Just simple replication of what it has done here. It can try to do the same thing before looking forward to an ultimate eventual rise there. RSI at bottom trying to rise, and this can result into good bullish momentum. Now on the daily charts. Beautifully see the moving averages, 20 and 50 period moving averages are willing to cross over. Very, very good sign. 100 period moving averages 2.8 levels, certainly beyond which more bullishness may prevail. Now this crossover is important, beyond which it can continue to diverge, and then the 50 period moving average 100 period moving average crossover can be seen. So this is also signing or indicating a good bullish move. The super trend is also bullish with the stop loss at around 2.3 levels. Hence, as I shared earlier also, till 2.24, 2.2, we are not going to consider net gas as in any case bearish. For the next week, specifically 2.5 levels, if it respects, certainly one can stay long. Even if it tries to drop, 2.5 is going to be a very, very good support. Daily stochastic also near to overbought zone, but it can sustain overbought levels. If it can sustain oversold levels for weeks and months, it can sustain overbought levels also. Look at MACD starting to rise. This is looking upwards. This can increase the bullishness in the coming few days. RSI looking upwards. It can sustain oversold levels. It can sustain overbought levels also. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and trading strategies so that you can trade profitably next week. But before we proceed, one request that me or my social media handles, whether be it Instagram, Telegram, or YouTube, does not follow anyone and do not or will not be the first one to message you. If anybody approaches you from any of my social media handles or a duplicate social media handles, I mean, imposing as Ankit Jain, please refrain and report from to such fraudsters. Immediately block that profile. Anyone seeking investment on my name claiming multifold return, please report such people immediately. And also remember, I do not offer any such service. I have only two services. First is a training program, a mentorship batch. The 22nd batch is going to start on 1st of June, which you can register for, and definitely it will help you in learning tool techniques and strategies so that you can become a profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signal service where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. And even if before investing any money to anyone, or specifically if you want to do it with me, whether be it signals channel or the mentorship program also, please get the confirmation from the official handles mentioned in this channel and video description. Remember this fact. Now with that, let's start. First, on the buy side, you can buy here at 2.72, expect 2.75, 2.82, and once it trades beyond 2.82, directly we are going to look at $2.93 levels, and in fact beyond that 3.15 and 3.21 levels will be seen. Possibility exists that once it stays beyond this is the first critical levels, then this, then this, and then this. So these three levels, these four zone, you should mark out for. At every level you can book profit, and you can expect that it is trying to head till towards the next levels here, and probably is going to stay bullish. But keep booking profits, because a reversal or retracement is possible. It is highly overbought, or it has seen very good move. It can try to retrace a little before again a pullback is must to relaunch again. So book the profits at each of these levels and re-enter if you see it trading in the same direction. Now on the sell side, most important here, 2.65, this is the level below which you can sell. Expect 2.6, very, very good support, 2.55, and then 2.5 levels. Now if it breaks below 2.5, more bearishness is going to prevail here, where I'll be looking forward to 2.4, 2.3 levels, and ultimate support exists at 2.24 and 2.2 levels. I do not expect it to go till there any which ways. I do not expect it to go till here. This should not be the case. This should not be achieved, but yes, it can try to retrace for 2.5, 2.4 levels, and hence you should trade with caution till there. Yes, it is bullish. You can hold the position. If you see it dropping for 2.5, 2.4 levels also, you can try to initiate a buy entry there and keep holding the position for a little while. It can definitely try to hit 3.2 levels, and hence any retracement till towards 2.2. If you get an entry at 2.2, that is the best. 2.2 to 2.24 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship and join my Signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week again.